Hello, everyone. I'd love to walk you through our platform in terms of both the client side and attorney side of LegalRescue.ai, so you can get a feel for what to expect of our platform accordingly. This is especially important for attorneys joining our platform so that they understand the ins and outs of how we aim to match them with clients for their practice. Let's get started. Now, let's start with the client side. The clients can either describe their case in an empty text box. Obviously, this text box has been filled out. Now, they can summarize in their own words what kind of legal issue they are dealing with, and we can properly match them with the correct category of law and hence the attorney they need to be matched with. Or they can fill out a questionnaire if they already know what kind of attorney they're looking for. Now, to show you how the former works, let's submit this personal injury case down that occurred in Beverly Hills, California. Now, as you can see, our AI system analyzes what the client wrote down and will soon be identifying what category and subcategory of law their case actually is. There we go. Did a great job. Personal injury law and automobile accidents in terms of the category and subcategory, respectively. Now, if the AI did a mistake, it's not a problem at all. The client can simply override what the AI chose for the client by coming in here and manually selecting the correct category and subcategory of law, respectively. Now, furthermore, it will use what the client wrote down to answer the questionnaire for them as well. Now, keep this in mind. Every legal category and subcategory of law has their own unique questionnaire that serves usually the most common important questions that every attorney in that respective practice likes to know answers to when screening potential leads, right? And so in this case, we have seen, as I mentioned, that AI has answered the questions for automobile accidents. The other ones that it doesn't know the answers to because the client didn't state in their text box, it doesn't answer for them. Now, alternatively, as mentioned before, if the client already knows what kind of category of law they need help with, they simply can do the same uploading of their exact legal issue by diving straight to the questionnaire. As you can see here, I have already answered the questionnaire to save time in this presentation. Let's submit this case and continue on the attorney side. Now, for our example in this scenario, our attorney's account is subscribed to personal injury cases in Los Angeles County. If I do a quick refresh of the page, there we go. That case has now just been provided available to attorneys that subscribe to personal injury cases in Los Angeles County. So let's do review case details and review the case to screen for my practice. Furthermore, what we can see here is the AI has summarized the case details before unveiling potentially sensitive information, including the exact answers to the questionnaire that the client filled out. In order to unveil that more sensitive information, including PII and other personal information of the client, we need to do a conflict check after we have expressed interest. So let's do that. Let's express interest in the case. And what that will lead us to is our conflict check certification. This is where the attorney certifies that they have no conflict of interest in taking on this client. And upon doing so, the unveiling of the client's full case details will be done. So let's do that. Let's confirm and proceed. And there we go. Here are all the provided answers to the questionnaire along with the client's case summary in their own words. Now, from there on, we can be able to send a message directly to the client. We hope you enjoyed this demo, and we look forward to having you on our platform, whether you are a client, an attorney, or perhaps even both. Thank you so much for your time. Take care.